The rapid pace at which our methods are changing these days forces many women to go out for work. And they also have to travel to other cities, and working women can have a very pleasant journey if they take care of these things. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button, so you will know I am online. Well, statistics reveal that almost 50% of business travelers are women, and the number continues to grow each day. Travel at short notice means being organized and ready to go. Be smart and plan well ahead. Keep on tab a list of babysitters who would be willing to pitch in, even overnight if required. Keep a small book handy in which you jot down things like what the kids eat, their schedules, important phone numbers, likes and dislikes, as well as numbers of the doctors and list of medications including known allergies. Keep a travel bag always packed and ready to go. Pack a combination of clothes so that they will tide you over irrespective of the weather in your destination. Wear easy to maintain and dark colors on trips. They don't show stains, are wrinkle-free and will drape well. Always eat lightly, and foods that are cooked avoid raw salads and water as well as ice. It is wise to snack before a flight and also to try and sleep during flight. This way you will arrive at your destination refreshed. Be sure to drink plenty of bottled water during travel. Set up a schedule to call home at time zones that work for you and your loved ones. Make it a point to get mementos for your family members, as also the babysitter and others who pick up the slack while you are away. It shows them that you care. Put safety first. Always place a "Do Not Disturb" sign on your hotel door, and if nervous, place a chair under the doorknob like they do in movies. Keep your cell phone on and fully charged by you at all times, and carry protection in the form of pepper spray, an alarm, or if you are trained and licensed, a small weapon with its safety on. In most cities, the police organize training classes for women to learn how to protect themselves and what one must do in an emergency. Try and make time to attend these. Avoid dark lanes and abandoned roads. Never talk to strangers or accept food or drink from someone you don't know. While traveling, never leave food or drink unattended. Be vigilant at all times. Choose a hotel with care. Choose to stay at well-established hotels or small inns and B&B where the proprietors are generally family people. Always email and fax details of your staying arrangements and travel plans to your home as well as office. Always carry important documents, money, traveler's checks, and passport in a money belt worn around your waist. Always act confident and move around in groups. There is always safety in numbers. If unwell, go to a state-run hospital. Never to a private clinic. Never travel with valuables like jewelry, and always carry a small flashlight and medical kit with you. For safety reasons, arrange with your family to take appropriate action if you do not get in touch with them as planned. Avoid room service and eat in the hotel dining room. Also, never reveal details of where you come from or your travel plans to anyone. Be vigilant and smart, and you will be able to travel often and safely. Stay safe and enjoy your trip. And don't forget to share this video on your Facebook page and through WhatsApp with your loved one.